Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthinde zonke izinto ezithikazisa impilo yabantu ngonobangela wokunandi iqiniseliswa igezi. Yeke ngemva kwalokho watsho bona njengorhulumende bathethe isiqunto sokuthi inarha yekhethu le imenyezelwe njengenarha evelelwe ihlekelele ngokomthetho wezokulawula ezehlekelele.
The Auditor General will be brought in to ensure continuous monitoring of expenditure in order to guard against any abuses of funds needed to attend to this disaster. Now, to deal more effectively and urgently with the challenges that confront us, I will appoint a Minister of Electricity in the Presidency to assume full responsibility for overseeing all aspects of the electricity crisis response.
Umengameli ukhulume nangendaba yokuthi kufanele kube nokuphalisana kile koro yezamandla uveze ukuthi amakhaya kunye namabhizinisi azokusizwa ukuthi achugulukele emthonjeni wegezi evuselelwako.
Later this year we will table the Electricity Regulation Amendment Bill to this Parliament to transform the energy sector and establish a competitive electricity market like what is done in other countries.
Nakusenjalo umengameli uthi uhulumende bekubenje sele avuyise imali ebalwa ku7 billion rands eyakhwajaniswa ngesikhathi kulingwa ukuthunjwa kwelawulo lombuso. Kanti uhulumende uthi uzokuraga nokuthuthumbisa isibebe engikhampanini kunye nebantwini abazibandakanye ekulingeni ukuthumba ilawulo lombuso. Umengameli uzibophelele Ekulumeni yakhe yayizolo bona uhulumende wakhe uthatha amagadango aqinileko ukulwa nobukhohlakali begodu uzoqinisa ukuthi angekhe kusawa nokulinga ukuthunjwa kwelawulo lombuso.
The National Anti-Corruption Advisory Council, consisting of people from across society, is in place to advise on suitable mechanisms to stem corruption, including the overhaul of the institutional architecture of combating corruption.
Kanti umengameli uthi isibonelelo sama-350 rands sizokuraga ukusiza laba abathindeke kumbi ngendaba yokuqiniseliswa kwegezi kuye nokubiza kakhulu kwempilo. Kaze ama-350 asungula bona asiza abantu abathindeke kumbi ngonobangela we-COVID-19.
We will ensure that existing social grants, yes, are provided and are even increased to cushion the poor against rising inflation. And this will be set out in the budget that the minister will provide.
Ramaphosa uthi unethemba lokubana umraro wokuhlayela kwegezi uzokulungiswa enyangeni ezilithumi nobunane ezizako.